Good morning, fam. Welcome back to another powerful session where we focus on strength, flexibility, and ease of movement in your upper body. Let's make this day a winner right from the start. Do you ever wake up feeling stiff in your shoulders, neck, or wrists? Maybe it's from hours at a desk, scrolling on your phone, or just sleeping in an awkward position. This routine is designed just for you. You won't need any equipment, just a soft mat or comfortable floor space. This session is perfect for anywhere, your living room, bedroom, or even your backyard if you're enjoying some fresh air. Over the next 5 minutes, we'll gently wake up your neck, wrists, shoulders, and upper body through intentional movement and stretches. I promise by the end of this routine, your body will feel open, refreshed, and ready to take on anything the day brings. This is your time, your moment. Most people hit snooze and miss out on this magic, but not you. You've already shown up, and that's a big deal. Now let's make every second count. Let's hit the mat. Let's begin by releasing any tension in your neck and shoulders with some gentle neck rolls. Sit comfortably or stand tall, keeping your spine straight. Drop your chin to your chest and begin to roll your head in a slow circle to the right. After 30 seconds, reverse the direction and roll your head to the left. The stretch releases tightness in the neck and upper shoulders, improves mobility, and eases tension built up from everyday stress. I promise you'll feel lighter and more relaxed after this. If you feel any pinching or discomfort, make the circles smaller and slower. Always move within your range of comfort. From here, let's wake up your wrists with some gentle stretches. Now, let's focus on the wrists, an overlooked area that needs some love, especially if you're typing or texting all day. Press into the mat with your palms facing down and alternate with your palms facing up, stretching the wrist flexors and extensors. Keep alternating for 1 minute. This stretch improves mobility and reduces tension in the wrists and forearms, making everyday tasks like typing, gripping, or lifting feel easier. By the end of this, I promise your wrists will feel looser and more mobile. If pressing feels too intense, hold your arm at a lower angle and apply lighter pressure. Let's shift to the mat and open up the sides of the body with a seated side bend. Time to lengthen and create space in your side body by soothing seated side bend. Sit cross-legged or with your legs extended forward. Place your right hand on the mat next to you and lift your left arm overhead, reaching toward the right side. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides, reaching your right arm over to the left. This stretch lengthens the muscles along your sides, improving flexibility and releasing tension in your ribs and waist. I promise you'll feel taller and more open after this. If sitting on the floor feels uncomfortable, sit on a cushion or in a chair for extra support. Let's get into some dynamic movement with downward dog into cobra stretch. Let's flow between downward dog and cobra to stretch and energize your entire upper body. Start in downward dog with your hips lifted, pressing your hands and heels into the mat. Flow forward into cobra by lowering your hips, lifting your chest, and pulling your shoulders back. Move between these two poses at your own pace for 1 minute, syncing with your breath. This dynamic flow stretches your shoulders, chest, and spine, while improving flexibility and circulation. I promise you'll feel a sense of energy flowing through your upper body by the end. If downward dog feels too intense, keep a slight bend in your knees. In cobra, Only lift as high as feels comfortable for your back. Come down to a kneeling position for a final stretch, the kneeling chest opener. Let's finish with a powerful stretch to open your chest and shoulders. Kneel on the mat and interlace your fingers behind your back. Press your hands down and lift your chest toward the sky, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Take deep breaths, expanding your chest with each inhale. This stretch contracts the effects of hunching and improves posture. By the end, I promise your chest will feel open, your shoulders relaxed, and your breathing easier. If clasping your hands is challenging, use a towel or strap to hold on to behind your back. Release your hands gently and come into a seated position to close out our session. Fantastic work, fam. You've reset your upper body, unlocked tension, and set the tone for an amazing day ahead. Remember, just by showing up, you've really won the day. You're building strength, flexibility, and consistency, one stretch at a time. Anytime you see that notification bell go off, just press play. And that can only happen if you subscribe to the channel. Invite your friends and loved ones to join the fam, because movement is always better together. Don't miss out on the free fitness gift. It's linked in the description and packed with everything to take your journey to the next level. You're going to love it. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.